up, guys? Today we got a E63s AMG model. Mercedes of Nashville was nice enough to let me review it. I am going to take this thing for a quick spin to show you guys some ins and outs of the vehicle. So let's get right to it. This 2019 E63s 4MATIC Plus is one of the fastest luxurious cars on the track to date. The monstrous 4-liter handcrafted V8 crushes the 0 to 60 time in just 3.3 seconds. It's backed with a MCT 9-speed AMG speed shift transmission. When it comes to cornering, the adaptive self-leveling multi-link suspension does it with ease. The fueling portion of the vehicle has a 21.1 gallon tank that gets 23 miles per gallon highway and 15 miles per gallon city. Some safety features are Car2X communication, tele-aid, active brake assist, and attention assist to list a few. Option, and that locks the vehicle, and then you put your hand behind here and that unlocks the vehicle. As long as the key is close to the vehicle, you can do this. To show you, this button here opens up flaps in the exhaust to make it louder, and of course you have your suspension button for AMG Sport system, and then you have the Sport Plus, and this button here does different settings, dynamic settings. It can go anywhere from Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Race Mode. Media for USB and such. Your phone, Mercedes Me Connect. Let's go into vehicle here. And as you can see in vehicle, you have your seat settings, your dynamic settings, your track pace settings, which times your track laps, your assistance settings, consumption settings, light settings, which is really neat. Go into that, and you can give yourself an ambient look of multiple colors. I think there's like 67 colors that you can go through. Here's your assistance, camera and parking, active brake assist, attention assist, to track pace, drag race mode, acceleration, quarter mile, braking, profile, which is really cool, a track pace to kind of try to beat your original records, your HUD content, acoustic feedback. Nice feature on this vehicle, gives you engine data that You want to keep track of all your data when you're on the track. This is a really cool feature. Vehicle data, dynamic data. We have our driver's seat, passenger seat. We have a massage option, which is really neat. We've got a hot relaxing back, hot relaxing shoulder, active massage, classic massage. Going to dynamic seat, that's going to be when you take turns in the vehicle. It's going to hug you from left to right, keep you nice and secure in the seat. Okay, so here we are in the cockpit of the E63s. Let's see, any mood when you're in or anything, you would just feel free-spirited in this thing for sure. A little bit of a rainy day here. The suspension on this thing is just rigid, and I won't be able to take this thing high in RPMs just because of the braking period on the AMGs. It comes with a sticker on the windshield that tells you basically you cannot over-rev this thing in the beginning stages, at least for the first 1,000 miles. Oh yeah, this thing is a monster. It's really neat how they have the LCD screen up front here with the boost gauge, the horsepower gauge, the foot-pounds of torque. It really gives you a whole layout of everything that the car is doing while you're driving, and that's really informal when you're on the track because basically you really want to be dialed in. Shifting at $4,000 because I do not want to break this beautiful engine. Just $4,000 shifts were just amazing right there. I mean, it just got up and went, no problems whatsoever. Jar your neck. I love it though. Being a car enthusiast, this car would be something I would definitely drive every day. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, this thing is expensive. And here's the stock number if you guys are interested. And you can't find it on the lot here at Mercedes, Benz in Nashville, Tennessee. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a great time test driving this vehicle, seeing what the vehicle is all about and going through all the features, and hopefully I touch base on a lot of the stuff you guys wanted to see. I will have more car reviews as I go along today. Thanks again to Mercedes-Benz in Nashville. I might throw some how-to tutorials out there as well. Please comment below if you have any ideas of what I should do or what you think I should try differently. That'd be great. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe today, and please like the video. Thanks again. Peace.